Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So guys, today we are back with an exciting content. Today we are learning about the IP addresses. We will learn about the private and public IP address, and we will learn this in a practical manner using the Kali Linux. So guys, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's video. So guys, first of all, let's know what is IP. IP or Internet Protocol. So guys, IP address is nothing but a simple address to a digital device. So here we have the definition that an IP address or internet protocol address is a unique numerical identifier assigned to every digital device connected to a network. And IP address is a number that identifies a device on network and allows it to communicate with other devices. Means basically like we have a certain address, our home is up in some address, our school is at some address. So like in the digital device that is connected to the internet, so every digital device have a unique address, so that is the IP address or internet protocol address. These are of two types. Basically these are two versions, that is IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is basically of 32 bits and IPv6 is basically of 128 bits. So guys, here we have a diagram like this is the internet, the globe, and here we have the external IP address at the router, the main point. Then we will connect to the monitor, the CCTV camera, the laptops, and other digital devices. And every digital device have a unique IP address as mentioned here. So let's move to the second slide. So guys, IP is basically of two types, that is the private IP and the public IP. So guys, this is a very simple difference, that is the public IP that we get from the internet service provider. So when you are surfing on any website, so if someone will try to find the devices using that services, so that IP will visible at that time. And we have the private IP, like every digital device, like our phone, laptops, tablets. So when we are connecting to the internet, so at that time we are assigned an IP. So that is the private IP. So with the different ranges, like in the large network, we have from this range to this range, and like in corporate and home Wi-Fi. So basically, IP is of two types, that is public and private. So guys, here we open the VMware workstation, and now here we will start our Kali Linux. So it will take some time to load. So let's wait. Yeah, it is booting and it will take like 2 to 3 seconds, so let's wait. So here we will click and we will enter our password. So let's enter the password. Yeah, and now we are in our Kali Linux. So guys, let's open the terminal in the Kali Linux, and let's increase some size. Yeah, I think it will be all right. So let's find the local IP. So for that, we will type the command IP and A and give enter. So guys, here we found the local IP. Here we have the IP address, that is the IPv4, and here we have the IPv6. So here, this is your local IP v4 and your local IP v6. So now here we have some more information. So let's filter out the IPs only. So for that, I will use the command IP, then A, and we will put a piping and grep inet, and we will give an enter. So guys, here we have the IPv4 and here we have the IPv6. We have filtered out the IPs. Let's find the public IP. So I will use curl and ifconfig dot nv and give enter. So guys, here we got the public IP. Like when using this device, you will surf to any internet, you will use any browser, you will use any online software, any apps. So this IP will be shown there as your device. So this is the public IP. Now let's route. So IP route and let's check. So yeah, here we will check the gateway, like how our device is connected to any other services or not. So we can check the gateway using IP route. Now let's use a tool that is Nmap and scan our IP. We will scan our local IP. So here I'm using some Nmap commands. So if you are interested, so you can comment down so that we will create an interesting video on a Nmap only. So let's copy down the IP here and we will paste it down and we will give enter. So here the Nmap started. Let's wait. So guys, now we here we found the Nmap scan report. So you can use these commands. I will give all the command in the description so that you can use that thing, and you can also try this out practically with your system and you can see the results. So guys, with this we conclude this video, and if you want more video like this, then comment down and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.